But no, we're gonna stick to our purpose. Go ahead and take it out. So yeah, here we have them, the Phantom VSN Academy. Hey, what up guys? Babs Money Bags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. Today we are actually doing something a little bit different. So we are not doing any regular sneaker, we're just doing, or we are doing, I mean, I don't know what we're doing. We are doing an unboxing for some soccer cleats. And this is the first time we do this or something like this in the channel. So I'm pretty excited about that. I haven't bought a pair of cleats since my sophomore year in high school. And I just finished my sophomore year in college. Now the reason I have these two boxes right here is because when I first decided to do a soccer cleat, I ordered a pair of the same shoe technically. So we're unboxing the Phantom VSN, but I ordered the $275 version of it first. And then I realized that my main philosophy or my main concept about soccer cleats is that you don't have to have the most expensive pair of cleats, because it doesn't matter if you have the $300 pair or the $80 pair, which is the one we're actually doing the video on. Because if you suck, you're gonna suck the same, and if you're good, you're gonna be just as good regardless of the cleat. I want to show you guys real quick just what the $275 pair looks like compared to the, oh, this one's gonna be the 275. Oh yeah, look at this, look at this. Okay, they even did the different box. Okay, so this is the shoe we're actually gonna do the video on. Let's put that box to the side real quick. And then this one, DF, I forgot what DF stands for, but FG stands for firm ground. And yo, it's even harder to unbox. Oh, they even got the fancy paper, a little bit thick with 3 C's, not even 2. You got the reflective text. Holy shit, dude. Oh, they come with separate laces too? Oh, hold up. Shit. Oh my god, so that's why it's $275. But no, we're gonna stick to our purpose. Here we have you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Go ahead and take it out. So yeah, here we have them. The Phantom VSN Academy, and this one's the multi-ground version. So technically the grips over here at the bottom, or the traction at the bottom, is meant for really short grass soccer fields or also turf soccer fields. But anyways, here we have them. Since we already started talking a little bit about the traction, let's just start over there for the details. So the multiple traction points across the plate at the bottom are gonna be this crimson or orange color. A really interesting detail that I noticed on this pair, and then the more expensive one as well, up here towards the toes you have a Nike swoosh and then 2 arrows kind of going in a circle or in a square. Not entirely sure what that means though. Over here in the middle of the plate you have a relatively larger Nike swoosh, blacked out Nike swoosh. And then at the end of it, right below the heel, you have multi-ground labeling, so you know that these shoes can be worn, like I said earlier, in shorter grass or on turf fields. And then you have these really interesting star-like drawings that create a whole pattern over here on the plate as well. On this area right here, they're a little bit larger, and then on the rest, on the outside here in the front, they're a lot smaller, and then they reduce to simple dots. Cool thing to see. I remember the cleats that I used to buy in high school, they did not have this much detail on the plate. It was just the plate and move on. But going back towards the top over here on the outside, blacked out Nike swoosh with this orange lining going with it, and then this silver and reflective metallic-ish pattern or drawing going over here on the outside as well, and then continues over here in the heel area and right below the collar on the inside. Moving towards the front, you have Phantom VSN, so the name of the shoe, once again in that same reflective or metallic color to it. Moving towards the inside though, you have this really big triangle covering most of the midfoot. It's textured with the same starlight pattern that we saw over here at the plate, and then right above that over here closer towards the toes you have that same blacked out Nike swoosh with the orange lining going with it. Now the most interesting part about the sneaker, or at least to me, is going to be this outer layer that covers the lacing system. And you don't actually have to time the laces, because if you just pull on them, they're going to be able to adjust to your foot without you having to do the whole traditional lacing and whatnot. So I thought that's pretty interesting. I'm super excited to try it out because, by the way, I'm actually going to be doing an on-field look Because I'm gonna go and test these out after recording the video, or after I finish doing the close-ups and everything. So it is kind of like an on-feet look, but at the same time it's kind of like a performance test. But anyways, on the front of this tongue or outer layer, or the tongue for the outer layer, you have Nike and then the Goddess of Victory. And then for the collar, like I mentioned a little bit earlier, you have the dynamic fit collar. So it's meant to wrap around above your ankle and kind of blend in with your leg, so it's a little bit better fit. On the insole, you have the name of the shoe once again, Phantom VSN, right below the heel. Really love the concept of the shoe. These are meant to be more like your midfielder shoes, if I'm not mistaken. I've been kind of on and off with the whole soccer cleat lineup from Nike. But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on field. Ooh, let's get it? Because on field instead of on feet. But I technically have them on feet, so I can't. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker and cleat unboxings. Felt good to try something new, kind of go outside of the regular sneaker or even running shoe comfort zone that I've been at. And yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags out.